Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lorraine. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and join in on all the fun. Now in today's video, I have a demonstration video for you guys. It's on how I do my eyebrows. I got asked on Instagram what method I use and what products I use, so I just thought it would be useful to do a YouTube tutorial in case anyone else was wondering how I do my brows. I hope you guys do learn something from this video, and also comment down below and tell me what products you guys use to do your eyebrows. Are you a powder girl? Are you a eyebrow pencil girl? Are you a pomade girl like I am? But anyway, I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye. So we're just gonna jump right into it. As you can see, I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards with a spoolie brush, especially now because I haven't had them threaded. So there's a lot of stray hairs that I just want to get out of the way so I can easily create the shape that I'm going after. I usually go after arched eyebrow look because I just think it suits my face the best, but obviously you have to decide that for yourself and for your face. So as you can see, I'm taking an angled brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm gonna start drawing and outlining the shape I'm after. I'm using slow, quite deliberate strokes. Just make sure you're very light-handed with this part, just because it's easier to add rather than take away. So yeah, take your time with this step, just because it is crucial to have a good foundation with your brows so that you don't have a lot to clean up later with your concealer. I'm just gonna do the same to my other brow and make them look as identical as possible, but as we all know, they are sisters, not twins, but we can still try. So as you can see, slow, deliberate strokes with your angled brush. And like I said earlier, it's always good to have a picture in your mind of the shape of the brow you're going after. And I'm just gonna take my spoolie brush and just brush the hairs out of the way some more, just to ensure that I'm keeping that shape that I have in mind intact. So as you can see, I'm creating the shape with my brush. And like I said earlier, take your time with these steps. Your eyebrows need love, they need time, they need attention. So yes, they are part of my makeup routine that takes the longest, just because I like them a certain way and I want them to be as perfect as possible. So now back with my angled brush and some dip pomade, I just go in and start with the top of the eyebrow so I can connect it with the lower line that I created earlier. And as you can see, I'm going very slowly just so I'm as accurate as possible, and I just join the two lines together and start filling in my brow very lightly. I like making the end of my eyebrows a bit darker than the front, just because I like the way it looks. So you just have to decide for yourself how you want it to look. But yeah, this technique works for me every time. I just love the way it looks. So again, using really soft strokes, so you create hair-like drawings on your eyebrows, if I can call them that. Very slowly, just brushing up and creating the hair-like strokes. And I'm just gonna do the same to the other side. I usually have a favorite eyebrow, and in this video it's definitely this one. It just literally worked perfectly in the way I wanted it to look. So yeah, this is my favorite brow. Just look at that. How satisfying is that? Look at that arch. And again, soft strokes. And as you can see, I'm making the front of my eyebrow very light, lighter than the tail of my eyebrow. So like I said earlier, it's all about already having a shape in mind in your mind and creating that shape, and also having some sort of direction on how you want the eyebrow to look, just because it makes it easier when you're applying your makeup, because you already know what you're going for. And as you can see, this took me a while. I've been practicing my brows for a very long time. As you can see there, it looks really good. That side looks pretty good too. Just going in and, you know, fixing what needs to be fixed. I'm quite particular, so I want them to look a certain way every time. So I'm going to take some concealer and a flat concealer brush and just apply it to the lower part of my eyebrows, just to clean up the brow and make it look a bit more neat, is a good word. And just to clean up any mistakes I made or any harsh lines. So with this process, you want to go slow as well, just to ensure that you don't make any errors that will literally ruin everything. So just go slow, make sure you clean it up really nicely, create a sharp eyebrow look. As you can see, I keep referring to the mirror just to see how it's going. You always want to do that and ensure that you're pretty much following the right path. So check in often with your mirror just to ensure that it looks good. I'm just gonna do what I did to the other, to the left brow to my right one, or my left one rather. As you can see, I'm going slow, ensuring that I get it as accurate as possible and to follow the shape I've already created. That's what my brow is looking like at the moment. I'm pretty happy with that shape. That's what it looks like face up. I'm loving it. And I'm just gonna take a sponge just to blend that concealer out. If you wear eyeshadow, that can be used as, you know, the base for your eyeshadow. So just blend that out as much as you can. And then because I don't like a halo eyebrow, I take the same color concealer as my skin for the top part of my eyebrows. Just because I feel like it blends in better with the rest of my makeup. It just doesn't create a halo brow. I mean, if you like a halo brow, then obviously go ahead. I just don't. I like it to blend with the rest of my makeup. So that's why I'm taking the same shade as my skin on the top. And then again with a makeup sponge, just blend that in to your skin and make it look as seamless as possible so that when you put your foundation on, it looks good. So as you can see, I'm really happy with how they turned out. Looking good. That's my favorite one for sure, the left one. And then the secret weapon, the key to great eyebrows, is eyebrow gel. I'm using the Essence one here. And just look, as you can just tell when I'm applying it, that it just makes the brow that much better. And also places your hairs where they're supposed to be and ensures that they don't move throughout the day. So look at that. So even though I haven't threaded my eyebrows, look at how clean that came out and how precise that came out. So yeah, get you some eyebrow gel. Okay, I'm back guys. I had to just jump off camera for a bit just to finish my face and put on a wig and a headscarf just to tie the look together. I hope this video was a bit useful for you guys. Let me know what you think of the technique and the products I used down below, and tell me if you've used the ABH eyebrow pomade before. I'm in the color Ebony, by the way, if I did not mention. But anyway, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.